Good day followers, kailangan i-confirm nyo yung identity nyo kay Facebook as a content creator. Kailangan yun. So, papakita ko sa inyo after this video kung paano mag-confirm. And as usual, we already finished din naman yung two-way authentication na palagi natin pinapaalala sa mga content creator. So, para hindi tayo ma-hack. And to remember also the password kung saan papasok mo, sa email or sa cellphone natin. So, we usually do that before pa, but this time, we need to confirm your identity by uploading photos of your identification card like passport, national ID, SSS, voter's ID, driver's license, at iba pa. Yan, so, panoodin nyo to after ng video to and watch till the end. Let's get started. Punta muna tayo sa Facebook, yan, sa menu, tapos settings. Sa settings, punta tayo sa account center. Yan, tapos identity confirmation. Click niyan, may Facebook. Tapos, confirm your identity. Running ads, saan bansa yun? Ibig sabihin running ads. Yan. Where will you run ads? Select mo lang yung bansa. Philippines. Para magpunta ka man sa ibang lugar, Philippines pa rin. Yung bansa yan. Tapos, personal ID. Secure ka. Where will you run the ads? Yan. Yes, continue. And your personal ID na kailangan mong i-upload yan. Tapos, upload your ID. Checkan nyo lang yun nasa kanan. Then, next. Wait natin lang. Tapos, pili ka lang passport, driver's license, national ID, see more, yan, marami pa. So, national ID card yung pinili ko, chinekan ko lang yun. Yan, ikatlo. Tapos, pag na-checkan mo na, nalagyan mo na ng kulay blue, next mo lang. Tapos, wait mo lang siya. Get started. Take a photo of your ID. Screenshot mo lang dyan yung photo mo. Make sure nasa gitna. Ayan. So, pag na-capture na, submit nyo na. Tapos, uploading your information. This could take a few minutes. Hintayin nyo lang yung finish. Click nyo yung finish. Pag click nyo yung finish na yan, lalabas yung notification sa Facebook account nyo yan. Sabihin okay na may check na para yung green. Hope you learned something.